Welcome everybody, this is Team Brewhaha with Scare Factor, and we just went through Halloween Maze Haunted House here in Las Vegas, and it is one of the most unique experiences. It's a touch done safely with a full focus on performance. All right. I'm nervous, man.
You got this.
All right, cool.
Have fun. Hello! And welcome to the Halloween Maze. Now, today, have you come to wait? Listen to my children, for we are in the house of God. And I want you to witness your new God!
That's the dead end?
Oh, hi! I'm coming home. Oh, gosh. I'm following you? You got it. Right here. No problem. Oh boy! Look at that! Look at that! Look at! Woo! They crawl! I'm going this way. Guys, I don't like dolls. I don't like them. No.
You played with dolls.
No, I never played with dolls.
You played with dolls.
I play with action figures.
You played
They're
with
different.
dolls. Hi. Bye. Hello.
Hi. Oh.
Hey, buddy.
Is that sharp? I don't want to know.
All right, buddy.
I don't want to find out. What did you do to her? No. That's not going to happen to me, is it? Please. Oh.
Hi.
What lovely skin you have.
Don't cut
Where
the beard.
did you get it?
Oh, yes.
Oh, wow. I forgot about that guy.
Where do you think you're going?
Hopefully home, maybe get something to eat after this.
I want to talk to this guy right here.
This guy? You don't want to talk to that guy. He's a weirdo. Hello.
Are you having fun in here?
Oh yeah.
I'm coming.
Anybody need to use the bathroom?
What?
Yeah.
No, I already went.
Oh, they drank all the Red Bull.
Oh!
Oh, damn! Hi. Oh, hey. You look healthy. What is that? No! Okay. Hey, I need that. Ooh, that's sharp.
You know, doctor.
I may need some surgery after this. It's a dream come true. An axe just for me? Ah, no, you can keep it. Whew. Oh boy. Oh, good. Finally a quiet room. Guess I'm just gonna step by this dude. Is it through that hole in the wall? Possibly? Hey. Hey. Oh my God. Yeah, I was tired. Thank you. I can get off my feet for a sec. Oh. Somebody! Oh! It was a gift. I didn't choose it. They're fresh. Ooh. I like your headgear. Oh! Sick!
Look like me? Yeah. Do you think I'm pretty?
Yes.
What about you, princess?
But
Do you think I'm pretty?
yes.
You want to look like me, huh?
Yeah.
Come on in. Whose hat did I steal?
Not mine. I don't think any of it.
Is your hat?
Oh,
Who wants to be pretty the most?
him.
Lay down. What's your name, princess?
Smiley.
Smiley?
Smiley.
Hi, Smiley. Hi. Everyone say hi, Smiley.
Hi, Smiley.
Smiley's gonna be so pretty. Have you guys ever shared needles?
Yeah.
It's a yes or no question,
Yes.
babe.
Yes.
Smiley, have you shared needles?
I have.
So you know what's up. That's good. But you guys get to help me, okay?
Okay.
What needle do you think is gonna make Smiley the prettiest?
All three of them.
Only one.
No, just the middle one. This one.
The dirtiest one, right?
Yeah.
The dirtier the better, Smiley.
Can you
Okay,
just-
Smiley. Are you ready?
I am.
See, Smiley, it wasn't that bad, was it? Do you think it's gonna help him? I don't think so either. You want a face mask, Smiley?
Yes.
Isn't that so nice? Yeah, that's so good. Okay,
Come here, Tino.
Now you want some?
He does. He does.
You all deserve a face mask. I think you should take some. Isn't that so nice? I made
It's
it
warm.
myself.
Oh.
It's warm.
Hey, Smiley, I don't think that there's anything else I can do for you.
Am I homeless?
I think you might be a lost cause, princess. I'm so sorry. I'll make it nice and sterile for you.
Okay.
You have to make it sterile.
Oh, perfect.
So sterile.
Yeah.
There you go. Don't you feel so pretty?
Yes.
You shouldn't.
Why?
Because you're still ugly.
I thought this helped.
I'm tired of looking at you.
Aw.
Let's see. Wait, I'm gonna ask you something.
Okay.
Do you have a soul?
I'm pretty sure I sold it when I was 5.
You're useless then!
You didn't say I had to have a soul. And
Anyone else?
Rob has a soul.
You got a soul?
Yeah, it's
Gnomes
cool.
have souls.
I lost it this morning in the bathroom.
What do you mean?
You were driving this morning. I was driving this morning.
What about you? Huh?
I sold mine years ago.
What are you so? Why did all of you sell your soul?
Why do you think we're here?
What is wrong with you?
We're horrible people.
We are.
You all failed me!
I can go look for souls.
We can
Good.
find some.
Yeah,
Well, if you find some, you better bring it to me.
I will.
I need you to knock on the door.
Oh,
I need to knock on the door?
Yes! Okay, now you need to push the door gently. Not too gently.
You said gently.
Alright, come on in!
All right.
Come on!
We got some more guests for supper. Come on in. Make sure to close that there door behind you.
Ooh, I see
Now I
pie.
hope y'all came hungry because y'all come back for supper.
Oh, that's just wrong. That's
I bet you real hungry now.
Not after seeing that. I
I
mean,
promise you it's real tasty. You don't want to eat none?
I'm good.
But I made it just for you.
Just
I
for
was
me?
expecting you.
Yeah. What? Whoa, here, look, I've got snacks right here.
You smell like fresh meat.
I was told to bring the fresh meat.
Make a nice pie
And
too.
I'm too much pie for anybody. Hot
You want to
dogs.
eat him? I can turn him into a nice
I'm
pie.
all carbohydrates. It's bad for you.
But that's what makes it good.
It's all crystal. It's just gonna melt away.
You don't want to stay for supper?
Oh, no, there's tacos next door. Okay, the one in the back, he's good eating.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Step.
Step, step.
Come on! You have opened the box, and now you shall suffer. Yes, more flesh will become your body. Yes,
Is it right?
you are nothing.
You got him, so I'm good, right?
Yes. You shall all watch him suffer.
Okay.
And squirm as he becomes nothing but blood, skin, and bones. He shall suffer pain and pleasure.
Oh, it's stabby,
Thank you.
stabby.